Hello, hi my dear students of second class. How are you? I hope you're all fine. And today we are going to learn question and answers and hard words in the lesson 2, The Spring in the Mountains. What is the lesson name? Our second lesson in English 1 is The Spring in the Mountains. Okay, The Spring in the Mountains. So here in this lesson I have completed all the textable exercises. Yes, I told you to complete some exercises, some answers. Okay, so I have completed the explanation part of the textual exercises. And today we are going to learn the hard words and we have read and answer. So answer the following here we have and choose the correct answer we have. Choose the correct answer already I have explained, and again in this video I am going to explain you one more time. Okay, so before going to start choose the correct answer, we need to know, we need to learn hard words in the lesson. So, and you have to write, you have to note down in your notebook also. So how can we write? We just keep the heading in the middle of the page, top middle of the page, room lesson 2, the spring in the mountains. The spring in the mountains. Okay, S capital letter, T capital letter, M capital letters. You should follow the capital letters punctuation. Okay, and next hard words, side heading hard words, H capital letter, W capital letter, hard words. So the first SPRING, spring. SPRING, spring. Second one, mountains. MOUNTAINS, mountains. MOUNTAINS, mountains. Warrior. WARRIOR, warrior. WARRIOR, warrior. Beautiful. BEAUTIFUL, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. Wonderful. WONDERFUL, wonderful. WONDERFUL, wonderful. Festival. FESTIVAL, festival. FESTIVAL, festival. Wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. Dozed off. DOZEDOFF, dozed off. DOZEDOFF, dozed off. Okay, these are the hard words in our second lesson, the spring in the mountains. What are those? Come again. Spring, mountains, warrior, beautiful, wonderful, festival, wrapped, dozed off. Okay, these are the hard words we have. And one more thing we need to learn here is glossary. I did not tell you to write. Okay, you just know about the meanings of the words. Okay, here the first word is Naga, hard word. Here the glossary we are going to learn. Naga means person from Nagaland, a state in northeast India. Here Naga warrior, చూడండి, Naga warrior. Naga warrior means the Geelong. Geelong belongs to Nagaland. He is the warrior of Nagaland. Person from Nagaland. Okay, person from Nagaland. And here we have one more glossary. Panting. Panting. Here you see, he walked and walked, panting and out of breath. He walked and walked, panting and out of breath. What is this meaning? Quick breathing because of tiredness. Quick breathing because of tiredness. When we also run very fast, we just breathe out. Yes, ఏమంటాం, రొప్పుతున్నారు అంటాం, అవునా? సో హియర్ ఆల్సో ద ప్యాంటింగ్ మీన్స్ క్విక్ బ్రీతింగ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ టైర్డ్నెస్ అక్కడ జులాంగ్ చాలా దూరం నడిచాడు మౌంటైన్స్ వెనక ఆ సాంగ్ని వినడానికి. హూ ఇస్ దట్ సింగింగ్, హూ ఇస్ ద పర్సన్ సింగింగ్ ది సాంగ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అని చెప్పి చాలా దూరం నడిచాడు జులాంగ్. సో నడవటం వల్ల ఏమైంది, సో అలా నడవటం వల్ల he got high breath, quick breathing because of tiredness. Okay, what is that? Panting, quick breathing because of tiredness, quick breathing because of tiredness. Okay, the next one, cupped his hands, folded his hands in the shape of a cup టు డ్రింక్ వాటర్, బోత్ హ్యాండ్స్ టుగెదర్, బోత్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఇలా పెట్టి వాటర్లో ఇలా ముంచి తను వాటర్ తాగాడనమాట. ఫోల్డెడ్ హిజ్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఇన్ ద షేప్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కప్. కప్డ్ హిజ్ హ్యాండ్స్ మీన్స్ ఫోల్డెడ్ హిజ్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఇన్ ద షేప్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కప్ లాగా ఫోల్డ్ చేసి ఇలా ఇలా ఫోల్డ్ చేసి వాటర్ని ఇలా తీసుకొని తాగాడనమాట. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ డోజ్డ్ ఆఫ్ మీన్స్ went to sleep. తన వాటర్ తాగగానే సో హీ ఫెల్ట్ రిలాక్స్డ్ అండ్ హీ వెంట్ టు స్లీప్. డోజ్డ్ ఆఫ్, నెమ్మదిగా కూర్చొని రిలాక్స్ అవుదాం అనుకుంటే తను నెమ్మదిగా నిద్రలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అని చెప్పి చెప్పాడు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ గ్లోసరీ. జమ్, a type of farming on an area in the forest that is cleared and then burnt. A type of farming on an area. Zam means a type of farming on an area in the forest. ఫారెస్ట్లో ఉండేటువంటి ఒక ఏరియాలో చేసేటువంటి ఫార్మింగ్, ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మింగ్ దిస్ ఈస్, అండ్ దట్ ఈజ్ క్లియర్డ్ అండ్ దెన్ బర్న్డ్. So after farming, they cleared all wastage and they just burnt those wastage. Okay, next, Tengai festival. The name of festival is Tengai. A festival celebrated one of the Nagaland tribes from before harvest. నాగాలాండ్ ట్రైబ్స్ బిఫోర్ హార్వెస్ట్, పంట చేతికి వచ్చే ముందు చేసేటువంటి ఒక ఫెస్టివల్. Where? In Nagaland. Who celebrate this? Nagaland tribes. Okay, this is called Tengai festival. The name of the festival is Tengai festival. And next we have Twinkle in her eye. A bright expression that shows she is happy. Twinkle in her eye means a bright expression that shows she is happy. Okay, next, wrapped means covered. Cover. Here you see a small baby was lying on the ground. She was wrapped in Nalia's clothes. Here Nalia ఏవైతే బట్టలు వేసుకుని వచ్చిందో ఆ బట్టల్లోనే ఆ బేబీ కవర్ చేసి ఉన్నారనమాట. బేబీ కప్పబడి ఉంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ wrapped. హియర్ చూడండి, నలియా గాజులు వేసుకుంటే ఆ బేబీకి అవన్నీ పెద్దగా అయిపోయినాయి. చెవులకి చూడండి కమ్మలు కూడా ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయో. తన హెడ్కి పెట్టేటువంటి హెడ్ బ్యాండ్ కానివ్వండి, బ్యాంగిల్స్, కడియమ్స్, ఆల్ దోస్ వర్ వెరీ బిగ్ టు వెన్ నలియా బికేమ్ a little baby. So through these all things, the clothes, the things, the ornaments she wore, here Julong find out though, so she is Nalia. Okay, next, these are hard words we have here, and here we have choose the correct answer. Julong was once a dash. Who is Julong once? Julong was a warrior. Julong was once a Naga warrior. We learned now. So Julong was a warrior. And the next, the song he heard in the forest came from. The song he heard in the forest came from. Where he heard the song? A hidden castle in the forest? No. An old and broken house? No. Where he heard the song? A place behind the mountains. Where he heard? A place behind the mountains. And next, I must find out who is singing. Who said these words? These words are said by Julong. I must find out who is singing. Who said these words? Julong. And next, I feel different. Why did Julong say this? I feel different. After drinking some water from the spring, he said, I feel different. Why did Julong say this? Enduk cheppadu I feel different anesi? Because he felt younger and stronger. Because he felt happy and cheerful. Because he found the place changed. What is the reason? The reason is because he felt younger and stronger. He felt younger and stronger. And next we have, then together we shall clean the ponds and roads. Then together we shall clean the ponds and roads. Nalia wanted to drink the spring water too because. Why Nalia wanted to drink the spring water? Because, see here answers. She was jealous of Julong becoming young again. Tanu Julong young maripoyinanduku jealous feel ayinda? No. She wanted to be young again to do something useful. Yes, she wanted to be young again. Why? Because she wanted to clean all the forest and prepare something for the Tengai festival. Okay, so what is the reason? So what is the answer? She wanted to be young again to do something useful. Okay, these are the choose the correct answer. And here we have answer the following questions. Did Julong find out who the singer of the song was? A song పాడిన singer ఎవరో Julong కనుగొన్నాడా? కనిపెట్టాడా? Here you see. No, Julong did not find out the singer. He just drank the water and ran to his house with happiness. He became young. Yes, so Julong forgot about the song. So did Julong find out who is the singer of the song was? No, Julong did not find out the singer. Okay, next. How did he become young and strong? How did he become young and strong? Julong became young by drinking the water from the spring. By drinking the water from the spring. స్ప్రింగ్లో నుంచి స్ప్రింగ్ వాటర్ తాగిన తర్వాతే కదా జులాంగ్ యంగ్గా మారిపోయింది. Yes, so Julong became young by drinking the water from the spring. By drinking the water from the spring. And next, what did Julong do after he became young and strong again? What did Julong do after he became young and strong again? So after he realized that he became young, so what did he do? Em chesadu Julong? After Julong became young, he began to run like old times and ran all the way back to the village. And ran all the way back to the village. Before drinking the water, Julong, how he reached the mountains? By walk. Yes, sorry, on foot he reached the mountains. సో చాలా ఆయాసపడిపోతూ నెమ్మదిగా నడుచుకుంటూ వచ్చాడు. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ డ్రింకింగ్ ద వాటర్ హీ బికేమ్ యంగ్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వాట్ హీ హ్యాడ్ డన్? began to run like old times. When he was young, how he ran, the same here he ran. So in the same way he began to run like old times and ran all the way back to the village. విలేజ్కి అలాగే రిటర్న్ అయిపోయి పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. ఓకే, అండ్ హియర్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. హౌ డిడ్ నలియా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ జులాంగ్ వాజ్ ఇండీడ్ హర్ హస్బెండ్? నలియా ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసింది జులాంగే ఆ పర్సన్ అని చెప్పి? ఆ యంగ్గా మారిపోయిన పర్సన్ని చూసి నలియా గుర్తుపట్టలేదు ఫస్ట్. ఎస్, సో హౌ డిడ్ హీ రియలైజ్డ్ దట్ ఈస్ జులాంగ్? అది వచ్చిన పర్సన్ జులాంగే అని తను ఎలా కనిపెట్టింది? She looked carefully that the Julong was wearing the same clothes as before and he had the same mark on his cheek. ఎలా గుర్తుపట్టింది? He looked carefully, జాగ్రత్తగా తరోలి పైనుంచి కింద దాకా చూసింది. And that the Julong was wearing the same clothes as before. తన ఇంటి నుంచి బయటకు వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఏవైతే క్లోత్స్ వేసుకొని ఉన్నాడో, డ్రెస్ వేసుకొని ఉన్నాడో, the same clothes he wearing. Julong was wearing ద సేమ్ క్లోత్స్ యాజ్ బిఫోర్. ఇంటి నుంచి బయటకు వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఏవైతే వేసుకొని ఉన్నాడో ఆ దుస్తులే వేసుకొని ఉన్నారు, ఆ డ్రెస్సే వేసుకొని ఉన్నాడు జులాంగ్. అండ్ హీ హ్యాడ్ ద సేమ్ మార్క్ ఆన్ హిస్ చీక్. తన చీక్ మీద సేమ్ మార్క్ షీ హ్యాడ్ ఫౌండ్. సో హీ హ్యాడ్ ద సేమ్ మార్క్ ఆన్ హిస్ చీక్. ఆ చీక్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి మార్క్ని చూసి తన డ్రెస్సును చూసి గుర్తుపట్టింది నలియా. ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్, what happened to Nalia after she drank too much of the spring water? Nalia drank too much of spring water. So what had happened? See, after drinking so much of water from the spring, Nalia turns to a little baby. Nalia turns to a little baby. After drinking so much of water from the spring, Nalia turns to a little baby. Now here I am going to giving you drilling for this question and answers. Just repeat with me, okay? Then you will feel free while you are reading. And in the soon you can get, you are going to have FA1 examinations. Okay, so for that you need to prepare, no? When you read with me drilling, so you just when you are going to read, it is very useful for you. It is very easy also. Okay, just repeat with me. Did Julong find out who the singer of the song was? Who the singer of the song was? Answer: no. Julong did not find out the singer. No. Julong did not find out singer. Okay. The next question. How did he become young and strong? Julong became young by drinking the water from the spring. What did Julong do after he became young and strong again? After Julong became young, he began to run like old times, and ran all the way back to the village. Okay, the fourth answer. How did Nalia find out Julong was indeed her husband? How did Nalia find out Julong was indeed her husband? She looked carefully that the Julong was wearing the same clothes as before, and he had the same mark on his cheek. Okay, she looked carefully that the Julong was wearing the same clothes as before, and he had the same mark on his cheek. Okay, the next fifth one, last one. What happened to Nalia after she drank too much of the spring water? After drinking So much of water after drinking so much of water from the spring. Nalia turns to a Nalia turns to a little baby. Little baby. Okay, this is our second lesson. Up to then, we have completed all the textual exercises, question and answers, choose the correct answer, everything we have completed. And here you see, Nalia wanted to drink the spring water so that she could become young again and help some people in her village. Mention at least two ways in which you can be helpful to those in your neighborhood. సో నలియా స్ప్రింగ్ వాటర్ తాగి ఎంగగా మారిపోయి ఆ విలేజ్ మొత్తం కూడా ఓన్లీ జులాంగ్ అండ్ నలియా మాత్రమే క్లీన్ చేసేసి మిగతా వాళ్ళకి ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఆ విలేజ్లో వాళ్ళందరికీ పని తగ్గించుద్దాం అనుకున్నారు అవునా. సో దే టుగెదర్ ఓన్లీ ద కపుల్ టుగెదర్ జస్ట్ క్లీన్డ్ అవుట్ ఆల్ ద మెస్ ఇన్ ద విలేజ్ ఫర్ ద టెన్కాయ్ ఫెస్టివల్. సో హియర్ మెన్షన్ అట్లీస్ట్ టూ వేస్, ఒక టూ వేస్ చెప్పండి మీరు మీ నైబర్హుడ్కి ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతారు, ఎలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. హౌ యూ క్యాన్ బీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు దోస్ ఇన్ యువర్ నైబర్హుడ్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ హాట్స్ అంటాం. హాట్స్ అంటే యూ ఓన్లీ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ యువర్ థింకింగ్. ఓకే, సో here hots means we no need to answer them, write in the notebook, no need to read, you just think about it. How you can be useful or helpful to those in your neighborhood. మీ నైబర్హుడ్లో మీరు ఎలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు మీ నైబర్స్కి అని చెప్పేసి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ సెకండ్ లెసన్. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ ఎంజాయ్డ్ ద లెసన్ అండ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ఆల్ ద టాపిక్స్ హియర్. ఓకే, in the next video we will go to learn second poem. Okay, up to then you just complete reading textual exercises, complete them, writing and reading. Notes also you have to complete all those notes, hard words, question answers, everything you have to complete. Okay students, bye bye.